Vlog takeover. Ay. Kaya ka magulo. Kaya mo na. Bye! Dahil parating tayo. Naka-flashlight lang. Ang ganda na quality ng phone mo, girl! Ay! Yan na. Smile lang muna. Bakit ang liwanag nung sa'yo? Kasi may ilaw. Ito. Yung sa akin o yung phone ko yung madilim. Baka. Chasing the sun and it's shine. My sweat is dripping down my neck. I was gonna go take a shower right after, but I think I need to spend time in the aircon before I do anything else because my body. I was gonna eat these in the kitchen, but it's hot in there, so I am in the room with aircon on. I want to try the ones that we didn't try when we were at the Airbnb. This time is with suka. So. Oh, I'll try the chicharron bulaklak first. Oh, mushroom. Oh yeah, I already took a shower. Taking a shower here is so nice. Like the water feels so nice. Like I'd want to take 3 showers a day. So it just looks like chicharron. That's good. Ito, chicharong pusit naman. Ow! And then we have tuna chicharon. We will do salted egg nila. Let me do garlic. I don't know why I keep showing you. They just all look like chicharon. Do it with this. And this one is the spicy. Diba? It's hot here. And my hair is always up.
Bye-bye, Skyla.
Patingin na dito. Sino kamukha ko?
Dora.
Dora daw.
One, two, three. Nagulat na ako. Ayan. Ginawa mo.
Nakaganyan din ba daw? Let's go home. I got so cold in there, but it was really good. Wow.
Vlog takeover. And you will try the honey soy garlic fried chicken balls in the samgyeopsal naman. First bite. Wala pa. Yummy. Delicious. 100 over 100.
Hindi mo naman ito. Ikaw. This one is my favorite. The puffs like marshmallow, but they're like filled inside. Hi guys. Our feet hurts. I would like to sleep. Yung pajama pa, mag-pajama mo ko. Malaki. No, she put it on my thing. First time I eat right. Walang grab kung tumatanggap sa amin. Kapang lima. I like, for the experience in very
Balin.
oh. Waxing time. Pananugin kaya ninyo. Kaya ka magulong. Hey guys. Hello. Hello guys. Dati gusto lang kitang mamit. Ngayon, gusto na kitang makamit.
Anak ko po.
Your baby. Miss na po nila mga boyfriend nila. One day ka umeko ne. Miss mo niya ganyan.
Guys.
Nice.
Hindi
Summer.
Summer na hindi pa naligo.
Summer!
Stinky little baby.
Ay!
Joke lang.
Time to ano?
House to house.
House to house.
Ano kasi sa patender po tang makano mas. Banta di ako. Kinunuan mo do ka pilingin na. Oh, ting rabbit kit. Ene mo na mamaya kapag balik sabi na mga rabbit eh.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Bye-bye guys.
Papasok na po ulit ng bahay ang...
Papasok na ako sa bahay ni Lola. Babalik na po siya sa ano?
Sa ibang bansa. Babalik na ako sa ibang lugar. Ay! Tingnan po natin. Update ko kayo kung anong mangyayari. Magko-commute po ako mag-isa. Wala ko po tayo kung may balik.
May balik ka yan sa akin ako kanto.
Oo, sige.
Let's go. Bye-bye.
Video.
Bababa ka. Bye-bye.
Yes, nakapunta na po ako ng California po. Kita nyo ba yan? Baha, California ba?
Try. Magkano yan? 5 pesos yan, di ba?
Nagpipiso na lang po yan. Si Ella mag-vinegar pusit. Ilalaban niya yung vinegar pusit niya. Ayun! Ayan. Ilaban mo yung vinegar pusit mo. Nasa farmhouse ako kanina, wala akong makuha eh. Hi guys. Hindi yan makuha,
Nice!
Grabe, ang mahal naman ng binigay mo yan. 10 pesos.
Sali na nga mo. Welcome.
Pumili ka.
Anong personality?
Oh my God. Ano ba yan?
Ayoko pakinggan siya.
Ang babay na ba naman? Teka lang. Hindi, try nyo tumayo. Try mo mga tumayo. Start mo lang. Start eh.
Yung Alden.
Ano gagawin natin? I'm trying to pack and fix everything, and I have so much shit. I think I might need another box. Bro, I don't know.
Ang dami naman pala.
Hindi pala picture. Hi. Ate check. Bye-bye!
Si Mano, malaki. Marami kang utang sa akin, 10 manok. Ooh, escaldo.